Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about how can you increase your chances to be selected in DV Visa Lottery 2023 coming up. Alright, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and let's get started. Let's talk about how you can increase your chances to be selected in DV Visa Lottery 2023. Now, before I dive deeper, I want to share, recently made two relevant videos. I will be linking them here for you. Check it out. I'm talking about frequently asked questions when it comes to DV Visa Lottery 2023. I also talk about the registration period that it will open up soon and how to avoid scams and fraudulent websites and so on. Definitely go ahead, watch those videos. Now, in this video, I want to give you my tip how you can increase chances to be selected. Number one, always use your passport that is valid. You want to make sure that you have valid passport when you are registering. So if you don't have passport as of now, or your passport has expired, you want to make sure you will renew the passport and then you use the new passport to apply. Also, number two, if you have family members, spouse, children, you can register them individually. Maybe if your children are under 21 and if they are selected, then they will be able to bring you over. If you and your spouse register individually, guess what? You will be able to increase your chances because your spouse will actually, if your spouse is selected, can bring you in as an independent. And therefore you are automatically increasing chances to be selective. If you're someone who is not from eligible country, you can still claim eligibility of your spouse and therefore you can apply even though you are not necessarily from eligible country. Number three, you will never, ever increase your chances to be selected by paying someone. This is the truth. DV Visa Lottery is free, so you don't need to pay anybody, in fact. And therefore, if you find a website that is asking you to pay, you know it's fraud or scam, don't ever submit the entry with any payment. This is free website, you don't have to pay. However, it's very important that you actually properly insert the information. I created a tutorial program for those who need help from me. If you need help, you can check out the tutorial training to help you submit the entry. However, you don't need to hire anybody to help you out to submit your entry. You can perfectly do it on your own. So if someone is claiming that if you pay $100 or $200 to increase your chances to win, or if you hire an attorney, you will increase your chances to win, it's not accurate information and therefore you don't need to do that. Again, it's all about really submitting the correct information and submitting this information on time. So I will definitely let you know when the registration period will open up. It will be the first week of October, most likely, and will conclude first week of November. Also, you don't want to wait till the last day because you never know. Sometimes the website is actually crashing down, especially the first day when everybody tune in and they all submitting the entry at the same time. You might have difficulty to actually submit your entry. So what I would do, if you have difficulty to submit the first day, you can wait the second, third day, submit your entry, no pressure, make sure you are doing it right. Make sure that you are submitting all the relevant necessary information. Make sure you are not lying. Double check once you actually submit information, double check, read it again. So make sure there are no typos, no errors. And again, don't forget that each single individual family member should submit their own entry. So if you have a spouse, ask your spouse to submit the entry. And then your spouse will actually include you and children as independent and vice versa. This way you are actually increasing your chances to be selected. All right. So here you have it. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, share it with other people. If you're new to my channel, and if you like these videos, support this channel by sharing, liking my video, subscribing, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Have a great day and good luck with your entry.